Alright guys, how's it going? So today is Monday. What's the date? April 4th. And hope you guys enjoyed that brush clearing video yesterday. Or brush cleanup rather. But today I got all my schoolwork done, so I'm going to start looking at this Toro here and figure out what parts I'll need, price out some parts, and then let my friend know how much they'll be and see if he wants to do it. So, to begin with, gotta pull half the garage out to get to it. So, let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so as you guys just saw, I got all the stuff out of the way so I can walk in here again. Really do need to clean up out here. Probably gonna do that hopefully this weekend maybe. Although this weekend's shaping up to be pretty busy. Got 2 yards to go do cleanups in and do the first mow of the season for them. As well as one pressure washing job and then another potential one, so shaping up to be a pretty busy weekend, which is good. So anyways, another quick thing before I get started. I'm actually getting rid of this mower here, and I need to get out and start it just to make sure it still runs good. But group at our church does a thing for people who need, well, it's a group to help people who need help. Like they get basic supplies, like people need cleaning supplies, they can't afford food, that sort of stuff. And they needed a mower, so figured, well, I got this one for free, and I put like $10 parts into it and did an oil change and stuff on it, so might as well give it to the group that needs it, because I sure don't need it, as I already have 2 Hondas. So just gonna get this one out and start it up and make sure it's running good. Put some fuel stabilizer in it for him. So I'm gonna do that, not on video, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this Toro. Just bring it over here. This is going to be a multi-part video because today I'm just going to be tearing into it to see what parts I need, and then I'll order the parts, and then I'll show you guys when I get the parts. But let's see how the oil is. Oh yeah, it's got plenty of oil. Could use a change though. Can't remember if Tecumseh's have a drain plug on the bottom. Yeah, there's some gas in there. So we'll have to take care of this. I'll just go ahead and grab the tripod and time lapse it and stop it every once in a while to show you guys what I'm doing. So here we go. Alright guys, so as you've seen here, I've been working on taking apart the mower here. So far it's going well. I had to take the top shroud off to get to the carburetor. And as you can see, I've also taken off the muffler, which is right there. And then at the end of the video there, I drained out the gas tank so that can dry out. And then yeah, so I got the as you saw in the video there, I blew out the starter cup here. It had a lot of dirt in it, so I tidied that up. The PCV valve here is looking good. The governor's leaking a bit of oil. That's common though. Most mowers do that. Show you on the Hondas here. That one leaks around the governor, and so does this one. But that's pretty common. So I just leave it. But anyways, yeah, so it's going good so far. I'm gonna obviously need to replace the carburetor. I don't think there's gaskets that I need to replace. Well, actually there is. Oops. Looks like there's a gasket there, so I mean there should be if there isn't, but I'll probably just go on Parts Tree or something or replace or Repair Clinic or any of those ones that are. I'll just get the part numbers off there, and then just go on eBay or something and get aftermarket Stens parts. Otherwise, yeah. So it's looking good so far. I also need to replace the air filter. As you can tell, it's pretty gunked up. So that won't be too hard to get. Looks like a brand new spark plug on there, so I'm gonna assume that's okay. I'll take it off and make sure it's good, but yeah, I'll probably clean up all the oil that's leaked out. It's an engine degreaser or something. But yeah, so far so good. I think that'll end it here. I think that's all. Oh, and I'd probably clean out the shroud there too, because that got oil and stuff. Yeah, that's about it for this video, for part 1 at least. When I get all the parts, I will record a video then and get all the parts out of the box, show you what I got. Actually, you know what we can do before we go? Let's take this carburetor. Oh, crap. This carburetor leaks, as you can see. Suppose we could take apart the carburetor and see what's in it. See if there's any built up gunk in it, which I'm assuming there is going to be. Just get my brother here to film. And don't cover the microphone on top. Come over here. we'll just take off this bowl nut. I don't know why I'm having so much problem here taking this out. Jeez. Forgot there was gonna be gas in there. I thought I drained it all out. We'll just see what's in the bowl here real quick. See how the main jet looks, see if it's... Wow, that's pretty clean actually. It's not even plugged up. As you can see. Just crack the bowl off. Oh, there's some gunk in there. Not too bad actually. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Nothing all built up on the Welsh plug there, but yeah, we'll see. I might end up throwing this in the ultrasonic cleaner actually and doing that. I don't know. I'll decide here, but yeah, guys, this will be the end of the video here. I want to thank you all for watching, and we will be continuing on the series here. It's going to be like a 2 or 3 part series probably, of the fixing of this Toro recycler, and it is a 22-inch self-propelled. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.